I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I call home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? No, am I wrong?
I'll have to go get some coffee. Good morning, Jenny. Good morning, Rosa. How are you? Good to see you. Smiling faces on such a beautiful morning. Gonna take a little walk. Gonna go get some coffee. And after that, it's shower time. I'm hanging in there. Thank you. I'm looking a little bit better. I feel a little bit better. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 coffees, maybe a hot chocolate too. I had hot chocolate last night and carrying my backpack because you never know when you're gonna need it. I learned when you have nowhere to go, always carry a backpack because you never know what you could buy or pick up from somebody. You're a new face in the stream. It's been a while. Oh, oh boy. That was a shortcut. I'll probably break my leg doing it, but it's not on the map. No. Nah. Screw it. I'm walking towards traffic. Maybe they got sidewalk plowed. It'll be like anything while it's cold. Should have wore another layer. It's like a frozen tundra. No, of course not. No slipping allowed. It is very slippery. Look, I'm plane spotting. You put me on a plane spotting channel. The store has everything. Thank God it's only a little walk away. The guy here is really nice too. He knows me. Well, go figure. So I'll have to put you guys down in a minute and make my coffee and all that. I'm getting weird looks from people. Oh. All right. How you doing, bud?
Take a bottle of lids for the coffee, brother.
Huh?
Bottle of lids.
You're out of lids. Oh man, how am I supposed to carry it back? Oh man. Do you have any sugar? No lids. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. You're on YouTube live, just to let you know. You're on YouTube to let you know we're streaming live. Do you have like a plastic covering I can put over it? I guess a bag per cup would be better than nothing. You don't have hot chocolate, do you? No. All right, cool. Thank you, my man. So no lids for the cups, so. Well, yeah, I'm gonna fill it halfway, 3/4. Do you have a carrier or no? No? Damn. All right. All right. This will be interesting. I don't know how I'm gonna carry the camera, guys, and 2 cups of coffee. I think I might be at a stalemate here. Looks like 1 cup of coffee today. Mm. Oh, almost. One of these, 2, please. No, no bag. I'll just try not to trip and fall. Cash. I'm not turning the camera off. Why would I turn the camera off? Oh no, sorry, Jenny. I didn't mean like that. I mean, oh, you meant turn the camera off while I'm walking. Thanks, boss. I'm gonna need. I'm eventually gonna need one of those. Those are all kratom. There's the yeah, I wish I could have the mushrooms, magic mushrooms, but oh look, weed. Oh, there's a ton of kratom back there. The green kind is what I usually get. All right, boss. See if I can make it down to that key bank. If I can make it down there, if I have enough energy, the money that I have, I can deposit into my account, and then I can stay another night in the hotel. I got to get down there though. It's just such a long walk. I'll have to prepare myself. That'll be a heck of a walk for us. Oh my God, this coffee's so good. Was it worth across the trip of parking lot? No. No. Definitely not. And especially when they said they had no lids. Come on. Oh, here, coffee. Sorry, guys, my pants are falling down. Trying to hold my pants. Freezing cold, 10 feet of snow. I'm walking through a snowbank to get into the hotel parking lot to avoid the road. Uh, uh, you made it to that key bank. If you made it to that key bank, I'll be good. I'll be able to stay. This should be a hell of a walk. I should probably gear up as long as you got the coffee and the energy. And then just push forward and do it. Well, it's not too bad outside because tonight, if you look on the weather, it's supposed to snow like crazy. That building looks like an office building. Doesn't exactly look like a bank. And make sure that I actually have a bank with tellers there before I go all the way down there. So I'm gonna have to dress up for that one. Many layers. And there's no sidewalk. Yeah. But what a waste of money that would be. Ah, shit. Fucking everything just went fucking flying. Where'd my envelope go? There it is. Oh, no, I'm gonna enjoy some of this without the lid, even though it's freezing cold now. And say hi to you guys. That's what brings you back. Blast from the past. Oh my God. Have you ever wanted coffee so bad? And then you taste it. No. Everything's better. And that's where I'm at right now. Yeah. That's where I'm at. Sorry I'm breathing funny, but I have COPD on top of everything else. And when the cold air is really cold, it makes me breathe funny. That's why walking that bank. COPD on top of everything. That's why walking that bank is going to be such a bitch. Yeah, it actually stings when you breathe in the cold air. Like icicles are forming in your lungs right away. So I'm going to sit here for a few minutes and get ready. Mentally, whatever, to take a hike. First, I got to find out if that bank is even a bank or if it's just an office building without a bank in it. Because if I walk down there and there's no tellers, oh my God, I'm going to flip my lid. I got enough money, I think, in the account for one Uber trip. I'll be honest with you, Jenny, I didn't really sleep that well. No. I was sick most of the night. Matter of fact, it still feels like nighttime right now. I could take a nap. But I know I can't. Gotta keep on pushing. All right, well, I can go babbling on for another 10 minutes to fill it for half an hour, but I guess I could eat. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look and see how much an Uber it is to get there. If it's worth it, because I got money in there, it'll be worth it. We'll see, because that's gonna be a long, cold walk, and my chest is gonna hurt like hell. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in a little while. Thank you, love you. I'll be around. Be safe.